Join us this Saturday at 10 a.m. for a heartwarming, soul-stirring edition of Satideh Mawnin Runnings as we celebrate the woman who shaped our world, our mothers. In this Mother's Day special titled Me and Me Modda, we'll discuss the virtues they taught, the generational traits we carry, and the sacrifices they made in silence. We're unpacking how their lives, whether triumphant or tinged with regret, continue to echo through us and our children. How have you been shaped by your mother's choices? What lessons are you passing on? Did she live for herself or did she live for you? It's real, it's raw, it's reverent. Tune in and tell your story. Come make we talk, me and me mother. Streaming live on Instagram at Lady D Denise Gomez, Facebook Inside the Zone, Facebook Lady D Denise Gomez, and YouTube Inside the Zone with Lady D.